there. So, you're wondering if the Google Pixel 7 Pro is worth it? Well, let me break it down for you. First things first, let's talk about the design. The Pixel 7 Pro features a sleek and premium build, with a stunning AMOLED display that spans edge to edge. It's absolutely gorgeous. Not to mention, the slim bezels make for an immersive viewing experience, whether you're watching videos or scrolling through your favorite social media feeds. Now, let's move on to the camera. Google is renowned for its exceptional camera quality, and the Pixel 7 Pro is no exception. With a powerful combination of lenses and software enhancements, this phone captures breathtaking photos and videos. From stunning landscapes to detailed portraits, you can trust the Pixel 7 Pro to deliver crisp, vibrant, and true-to-life images. Performance-wise, the Pixel 7 Pro is a beast. Powered by a top-of-the-line processor and ample RAM, it handles everything from multitasking to resource-intensive games with ease. You won't experience any lag or stuttering during your day-to-day usage. One of the standout features of the Pixel 7 Pro is its software experience. As a flagship Google device, it comes with the latest version of Android right out of the box. Not only does this mean you'll have access to all the latest features, but you'll also receive timely updates and security patches directly from Google, ensuring your device stays optimized and secure. Battery life is always a concern, but thankfully, the Pixel 7 Pro packs a sizable battery that will easily get you through a full day of usage. And if you do find yourself in need of a quick recharge, the phone supports fast charging, so you'll be back up and running in no time. All in all, the Google Pixel 7 Pro is definitely worth it if you're looking for a premium smartphone experience. With its stunning design, incredible camera capability, top-notch performance, and seamless software experience, it's a device that won't disappoint. So, go ahead and snag yourself a Pixel 7 Pro, and get ready to be blown away.